Hello everyone, this is Panil and today I will be giving a brief insight about one of our projects in Mysore. Basically this is a 60 by 80 site, corner site. The northern and eastern part of the site is facing towards the here. As you can see here, this site is crafted with beautiful elevation and this house is beautifully planned and executed with all round lawn for more pleasant and clean environment. As you can see here, minimum of 8 feet space is left all around the building to accommodate more light into the building to add greener element to the surrounding. And wherever it is required, this house has been crafted with beautiful pergolas, projections and cantilevers to enhance the beauty of this house. Basically this plot is a cross plot which is irregular in the northeast part of the site, which is allowing and giving more space in the northeast part. Hence we are utilizing that additional space for developing the lawn in that area and utilizing it for the entrance. This is the northeast corner which we are entering, where the gate will be provided. The complete area will be provided with lawn here and with lawn stones to reach the main entrance here. You can see the entrance has been crafted with beautiful pergola, and the details of the main doors and the wood will be shown in the next video once the plot has been developed. As you enter into the building, this is the foyer area where the sitting will be provided. As you can see here, the foyer window we have used, instead of steel rods or bars, we have used wooden barriers or rods to enhance the look of the lawn provided on the other side of the field. As you move forward, you will be heading towards the living area, where an additional French window has been provided here, provide an access to the lawn in the entrance. Just above the living area, we have provided a cutout so that the direct sunlight reaches the living area from the cutout provided in the wall. This is the dining area which you are seeing here, which is provided with high ceiling roof, and it also includes puja room here, and adjacent to that is the kitchen area. And these are the two bedrooms on the other side. This is the master bedroom, which is provided with a beautiful window here, crafted so beautifully with SS curtains. This bedroom is also provided with attached toilet here and a attached dressing also. This bedroom is almost around 16 feet by 19 feet. And just at opposite to that, another bedroom will be provided here, which is almost 18 feet by 20 feet. And a separate lawn will be provided here, and which is fixed with a French window. And this bedroom is also provided with attached dressing room and toilet here. As you come out, this is the dining area, which is provided with double height ceiling. It is a cutout will be provided above dining and the puja room. And this is the puja room space, and this will be the kitchen area, which is almost 12 feet by 15 feet. Here a fabricated staircase will be installed here, below which landscaping will be done. This complete staircase will be of wooden staircase, fabricated wooden staircase. This staircase which we are using here is only for temporary purpose. Now we have reached the first floor level. If you stand from the first floor level, you will be able to see the dining area, puja room and the kitchen area. This is the living room, at the first floor level, from where the access to the balcony will be provided. This living room is almost 18 feet by 19 feet width. This is another bedroom, which is also almost 20 feet by 18 feet. This is also provided with an attached toilet here. And even this bedroom has a separate balcony, which is ornamented with pergolas here. Over this entire living area, a sloping A type of roof will be provided, which will enhance the elevation of the building. And if you move towards the side, this is the another bedroom, which is almost equal to 25 feet by 20 feet. It is also provided with a attached toilet here and a dressing room too. Even this room is also provided with separate balcony here. To enhance the light to the balcony area, we have provided cutout in the walls as an architectural element. The interesting part of this room is this is provided with two balconies on the either side. Even on the road side, you can see one balcony. You can see one more balcony on the other side, which will be exposed to the lawn area. In the next part, we will be uploading the 2D plan and the completed elevation of this building along with 3D elevation. To get the real-time updates on the similar projects, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification for more updates. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like and share our video, and please do consider hitting the subscribe button and click on the bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you.